Math is at the center of everything that we do, from simple things like driving a car to more complicated things like predicting the weather. As a mathematics student, you'll study numbers, patterns, space, change, and so much more. Nipissing offers both a Bachelor of Science and a Bachelor of Arts in math, as well as 3 different streams to choose from: pure math, applied math, and general math. This gives you the opportunity to personalize your degree to suit your interests and strengths. In the math program, your classes will take place in both lecture and lab-style classes. And at Nipissing, class sizes are small, which means that you have access to your professors to ask for help or ask questions if you need it. You'll also have access to the Math Drop-In Center, which allows you to either ask for help with math problems or volunteer to help your classmates that might be struggling. There are plenty of opportunities for math students to get involved outside of the classroom, through student-organized events like Pi Day, math competitions like the Putnam Contest, or even through research alongside professors. If you're interested in teaching, there's an opportunity to facilitate math circles, which is an enrichment program for local elementary school students. Math students at Nipissing are able to receive a certificate in game design and development on top of their degree if this is something of interest to them. There are so many different career opportunities for math students after graduation, including engineering, business, teaching, and so much more. So no matter where you want your degree to take you, Nipissing can help you get there.